Well, you can sure hear when that comes on.
Water's still coming in.
The upper rack's drained next because you had a problem with the drain from that. It's going. Is it leaking on the floor or not?
No.
Well, that's good.
Maybe because I raised this lid up a little bit, Todd.
That's good. Look at that top rack going.
It's stronger than your GE.
Oh, that's that drain plug thing.
Does that come on too far?
I don't even remember where it was.
I think
I hope it just stays lodged there.
I'm creeping a little bit.
And then an ad, it says that even if your impeller dishwasher can reach all surfaces, your Roto-Rack will reach in the areas that is in your ad.
It will, or
That's why they had, it said that was compared to other machines.
okay.
And it said the Roto-Rack would get it even in areas as in they had a circle that was not quite circled. But you get more force in the right or left in front of the other machine. So this will be assured that it would all reach all just surfaces at the top.
How long are the cycles on this? What's the cycle duration? Is like,
I don't remember.
is it longer or about the same as the GE?
I don't remember.
It's been a while since you ran this one.
It's been over a year. It's been a year.
Oh, wow.